In 1908, the Tunguska event flattened Siberian forests, but it also sparked a health revelation. Scientists discovered that the explosion released a unique form of ionized air, which, surprisingly, has a calming effect on the human nervous system. This ionized air, rich in negative ions, can reduce stress and improve mood. Studies show that exposure to environments with high negative ion concentrations, like waterfalls or after thunderstorms, can enhance serotonin levels, promoting a sense of well-being. Embrace nature's hidden power and seek out these natural ion sources for a mental health boost.